The new Galaxy Watch 5 has some amazing features, but what are actually the best apps that you can get for it? I searched through the whole Google Play Store, so you don't have to do it. Though I tried to leave out some apps that are pretty obvious, like Spotify or YouTube Music. I will still cover them since they are basically essential, but I'll leave down in the description below some timestamps so you can skip the apps that you already know of and you can look at the apps that you're interested in a little bit faster. Alright, first up, let's talk about the music streaming apps. That will be Spotify and YouTube Music. And both of these apps are just great and everyone needs to have them on your smartwatch since they're basically essential. With them, you can control your Spotify or YouTube Music right on your watch as long as your smartphone is connected. But the awesome part starts when you have the premium membership on these apps. Like this, you can just download all of your favorite tracks, playlists, and podcasts right to your watch so you can listen to them offline and you don't need to have your smartphone with you anymore. So you can just leave that one at home and it's perfect for whenever you go for a run or workout and you don't want to have your smartphone in your pocket or strapped to your arm. Next up, an app that you might not know of, but you should definitely give this one a try. Now, the app that I'm talking about is Smartthings. This app is amazing. It connects all of your Samsung devices like your TV, smartphone, your watch, some Bluetooth boxes, and all of that stuff. And you can actually control your other devices with your smartwatch or your smartphone. So you just basically have to add your TV, since I only have TV. So you can add the TV to your favorites list on Smartthings. And then afterwards, you can use your smartwatch or your smartphone as a remote control. So you can basically change the volume, you can change the channels, you can open up different apps and all kind of that stuff. By the way, I made a full review about the Samsung ecosystem already. So if you're a little bit more interested, I will leave down in the description a link right to this video. All right, as for app number 3, I've got a to-do list for you guys. Now, the name of this app is the To-Do List Schedule Planner. This one is great since it doesn't require a connection to your smartphone and it works independently and is not very complicated. You can basically create to-do lists for your day by either typing on what you have to do, like buying some ampoules, or you can use the built-in mic and speak to your watch so you don't have to do the typing on a tiny keyboard that I have. And now you just have to click on send and it will add the task to your list. And if you're done with it, just check the box and go to the next one. Very simple, but still very useful app. And the great thing is that you don't even have to find this app over in your app list, since you can just ask the Google Voice Assistant to open it up for you. Now, there's also a second alternative to this watch, which is the Todoist. This even has the feature to schedule your task for tomorrow or on another day with the same input options we have on the To-Do List Planner app. The next app that I'm talking about is the perfect app for whenever you're on a long train ride and if you're bored and you want to use your brain a little bit and like riddles. The app that I'm talking about is the Anti-Stress Energy Source Loop app. The Energy Anti-Stress Loops app. You need to connect the lines from the energy source to the light bulbs, and the first few levels are very simple, but it does get a lot harder in the game with some new features like a wireless power source and more power lines that you have to connect. So if you like games that requires a little bit of your brain power, this one is perfect for you guys. Now we get to an app that requires some setup on your smartphone to do it. But believe me, it's worth it. If you like soccer and you like tracking games, some tables, some leagues, some different players, it's perfect for you guys. This app is called Fotmob, and it basically shows you all the soccer scores from your favorite teams and leagues and when they are going to play. On the app, you only need to add teams and leagues to your favorites or just follow them, and you can already check the scores on your watch. You can check the table, lineups, and you know when the game starts. And guys, those are all of the favorite apps that you should definitely try out if you like them. If you like some of them, let me know in the comments below which one you like the most or which one you even downloaded. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.